and flip. So, see how pretty they are?
Mm-hmm. Hi guys, welcome to Cheers and
Cheers.
I'm Nayoka, and today I'll be doing another Ayasa Nice series video. So it's a cooking video. I'm here with my dad's friend Rohan. Welcome him. And then my dad is here. You guys remember him from the last video. So today we'll be making bami. So for all of you guys that don't know what bami is, we're actually going to be making it from scratch. Yeah, so to make bami we need cassava. So we're going to be doing it from scratch, and I'll be telling you guys a little bit about the history further along in the video. But he'll be, the special guest here is a bami expert, right? He'll be giving us all the tips and tricks to make Jamaican bami from scratch, and especially for us that live overseas, we can't really access bami easily, so we have to make it.
This is how my parents taught me how to peel it. We don't peel it like yam. We twine. True, go round in a circle.
Yeah, and this is a real technique, because I've seen a lot of other YouTubers who did bami videos who did not know this technique. So here is a quick trick for you guys. You gotta do it just like how he's doing it, okay?
So we twine, and then we come back from the head here. And we just go around in circles. How easy that is, guys. See? Very easy. He's the real expert. Right? We don't peel these things like yam or potato. This guy is actually good at it. So it's really that easy to get everything off. And this is what it looks like when it peels. White and pretty.
Honestly, he is the first and only person that I've seen that peel these cassava so quickly on YouTube overall. So you guys need to take in this skill, okay? And cassava is a root vegetable, and it's widely grown in developing countries, so like in African countries and the Caribbean. Cassava is widely grown, so we use it. And it's a healthy food, and it's actually a root vegetable. So I'll insert some pictures of how cassava looks. Some of them are bitter, and then you have some ones that are sweet. But this is what we use to make our Jamaican bami. It's often eaten with fish, so I'll be doing the cassava because this is like a tedious process. So I'll be showing you guys how to make the bami first. In Jamaica, we normally serve bami with steam or fried fish. So I'll be showing you guys how we prepare the fish in our next week video. But today we are just going to focus on the star of the show, which is our cassava, which we'll use to make bami. And here in Canada, it's very hard to find root vegetables easily. So I'm surprised that they actually found this in Walmart. So if you guys are interested in preparing this and you're in Canada or the Atlantic region, you guys can go ahead and check Walmart and get your bami started, okay?
Yeah, we're just gonna
This is actually cold. So we're gonna work on the magic trick. Get this all cleaned up. Here we go.
Alright, so we start the grate now. Barry, you have to do that part. So when you're grating it, you don't have to give a lot of pressure. Just rub it freely, because if you pressure it too much, then little piece will break off, and you don't want that. So you just want to rub it freely. And this is a small grater, and it's doing very well.
Why are we grating it?
And this is the way we have to do it to get the flour.
Okay,
so we need the flour to make the bami, so we have to grate it. A lot of people blend it. I don't see it get it the same as when you grate it. When they blend it.
Traditional kind of way.
This is the way we learn it in Jamaica. We grate the cassava, not blend it. Grate it is better.
Get the flour, put on some big dumplings in it.
Oh yeah.
So we do cassava bammy, cassava dumpling. Never heard about cassava porridge or anything like that. I don't know that one.
And it did say if it's not prepared well, it could be poisonous. So
The bitter one.
okay. And this
But
one
this
is
one
the
is
sweet
okay.
one.
Yeah, this is sweet cassava. This one is okay.
Yeah, so you have to be careful and know how to prepare the bitter one well. I wouldn't know the difference though.
So, alright, we're jumping. Luckily, mommy used to teach me how to grate a coconut when I was without getting scratch.
So I'm happy the men are here doing all the hard work. I don't have to be doing all this, but yeah, you got to have a good man. Or you have to have some strength, I guess, to get this process done properly.
Muscle.
I know you guys know me for giving you guys the history on everything, so I know you guys are wondering where bami originated from. This meal was actually brought to us by the Arawaks, which are the original people of Jamaica. So the Arawaks is known for making this floury flatbread, and that's like 10,000 years ago, and we're still using it in our society today. And guys, you guys see how hard this is? Come zoom in on how hard it's working. So when you guys go to Jamaica, please appreciate and purchase the bami because this is a lot of work and a lot of technique. I know our African brothers and sisters do use cassava widely in their diet also because it's healthy and it's a ground provision, but I'm not really certain on how they prepare their cassava, but this is how we do it. Right now in Jamaica, cassava is widely used for a variety of purpose. Actually, I think St. Mary Banana Chips actually carry cassava chips. Some people might, some parts of Jamaica, they might not even go through this hard process of doing all this. They might just boil the cassava, and it's called rockwood. So there's a lot of purpose for this ground provision, and it's extremely healthy. So why not? Last one.
Alright, so we're on the next step now. Oh, I was saying now this is what it looked like when it grate. As you see, it's pretty.
Yeah, that looks really
white,
good.
really white cassava. So now we gotta get it into the flour that we like and the part to make the bami. To ring it, got a towel, put the towel wide, just a handful, and then we wrap. So you wrap and you twist.
This looks like an old school technique.
Yeah. Maybe people find an easier way now to do it. This is
but it's
our old school. This is how I grew up doing it. So you're gonna ring. So whatever is coming from it, we call it the starch. Back in the days we used to use it and dry it, and then you throw some hot water in it and you get the starch. Just like spray starch that you see they sell in the store.
Oh.
So
I just learned something, so if you want your clothes to look really nice,
straight and nice, this is what they use.
And this is probably even better than the canned stuff that we have now.
Definitely, because this is just natural, original.
So you can actually use the liquid part. It's actually on purpose, right?
Yeah.
So that's interesting. I'm learning. I always learn every time I do these videos. I really like it. And you have to have strength because I don't think I could have get.
You gotta be
you
strong,
really need the
man.
muscles for real.
Yeah. So when you ring it now, this is what it looks like. Flour, kind of little half dry. So we do the same thing over and over until we finish. US people always wonder why we're so strong and fast and powerful.
Yes, that's what
This is our food.
Yeah, this is. Oh yeah. Apparently this is a secret tip to why you saying it so fast. So if everybody's trying to figure out why you saying so fast, this is why. All right. So get on this cassava train if you want to be the fastest, the next fastest man in the world. I don't know if nobody can take that title though.
If you give this video 1,000 likes, we might just show you how to make the starch. And iron something and show you how guys how it works.
So when we do it like this now, then we rub it. You can rub it in your hand together, just like that. So the more you rub it together, it's getting powdery.
I feel like you're taking me back to old time days. People used to really work hard to prepare these meals.
Yeah. This is coming from the days of slavery.
Before slavery and up to now. Yeah.
So you see, let's get a little powdery. You rub it and rub it and rub it until you can get it as fine as you can.
First it looks like this.
Wet when it's wet.
When it's wet. Then when the starch from when it's squeezed, show the ring. And then
the powder. This is actually feels dry.
Okay, so we don't want it to be lumpy.
No.
No lumps.
We want it to feel powdered.
Okay.
Flour.
You have to come back and give us more videos. You guys comment down below if you guys want to see Rowan again, because he really has the real traditional, authentic Jamaican skills here. Like, he's giving us all the tips and tricks. This will be the best bami video on the internet. So you guys spam up the comment section and let me know that you guys appreciate this video, and like, share it to everybody so we can, you know, keep authentic Jamaican recipes alive by, you know, keeping the tradition going.
So these are the things all the time. When you work on rub it, you don't have lumps.
Okay.
So we just get them out.
So while he's rubbing, sometimes he'll have these lumps that you want to remove from the flour.
Yeah, that break off the cassava, so you don't want them in there. You want it as smooth as you can. So we rub it.
Alright guys, so from the 4 cassava that you've seen that we had, this is the results so far. Let's zoom into this. So this is the flour. And you see guys, we actually got a lot from the 4 cassava. So you put in the work and you get the results, right?
Exactly.
And for this meal, so to make Jamaican bammies, you don't need a bunch of ingredients and a bunch of stuff. The only thing you need is salt. So you need a cassava and you need your salt. So this is the salt that we have. You know Jamaicans and the measuring, so so 1 tablespoon of salt added to the.
All depends on how much
cassava you use. So
you don't want the salt.
So if you use 4 cassavas like ours, the same size, then you can use about 1 tablespoon of salt as we use here.
Just mix, just like we do flour, no different. But this is where everything turned the bami now. So we got. Well, it all depends on the size. Depends on the size bami you want. So we got some little molds here because we just want some little
small ones.
Yeah.
Where did you guys purchase this?
We bought this in you can get them at Winners.
Winners? Yeah. So you guys, we're gonna mold the bami with these. You guys can set the size. If you want it a little bigger, then you can purchase bigger molds, but this is pretty neat and perfect. I like this size.
So this is where we start make the bami now. So we turn the stove, get it low. You don't have
to put it on low heat?
Yeah, have it on low heat, so you don't want it to burn.
You guys, you want to put this on the stove, so you're gonna heat this up first.
5 minutes.
5 minutes. So we're gonna heat this up for about 5 minutes, and we have it on low heat. Because obviously, if it's too hot,
it burns.
If it's too hot, it burns.
You don't want to burn spoil bami.
No. So it's gonna be slow cooked?
Yes, slow.
Okay, slow and low heat. Alright?
Well, some people grease, do a little greasing on the bottom of the mold, but you don't have to do it.
Okay. Alright, so once it reaches 5 minutes, then we
Up in the mold. Just put. It all depends on the size you want. You can make it 1 inch, you can make it 1/2 inch. So we are gonna do some 1/2 inch today. We're not gonna. So when you put it in the mold, then you press. Yeah.
nice.
Same thing we do all over. So this now 15-20 minutes and it's ready. So we can remove the mold now. Once you get them together and you get the first part, you can remove the mold. Just get it under it. And it's already hard, so you just turn.
Wow.
And this is what it looked like. And the first side finish. You just turn. So because you press it, it's already come together. So once you take the mold off it, it's not gonna be loose anymore.
Okay.
It's gonna hold together. And flip. So, see how pretty they are.
Alright guys, so we made it to the end of our video. So we have the bami. Hard work. You really put in a lot of work.
Take a lot.
So you guys, it's based on your preference of how you want it, but this look really, really good.
You can make it in 2 jar. You can make it as plain, get it white. So as I said, 15 to 20 minutes and you can get it brown. So all depends how you like it. I like it when it look like this though. Well cooked, well done, ready to eat. Just leave the fish.
So people, like, share, subscribe.
Yes.
Hit the notification bell.
Yes, what he said. So activate that notification bell so you guys will see every time I drop a video. I'm gonna start up about this Ayasa Nice series. So we'll be doing Jamaican authentic food. I know a lot of people don't know how to make bami. No, you know. And when you go to Jamaica and see the bami, know you guys know how much work the people put in to get you guys this nice bami. So appreciate and show them some love. Alright? So thank you guys for watching and I appreciate you guys for being in my video.
One love.
So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!